somebody or wide open space?
You guys, now look, hey, wait a second. You guys are not going to, the referee's not going to let you see it. You need to cover somebody.
Mark out, mark out.
You need to cover somebody.
Blue, spread out. Just picking your nose. Not nose picking back up. Go, Addie, kick it. He's open. Well, why would you kick it over where nobody is? If there's open space, I think open space is fine. Well, not back to front. But it was actually not on the middle. You can take the ball. You can take the ball. Put it wherever you want. Once you put it down, you kick it. After you're waiting and you see open spot, come over here, put it down, and then kick it. But once you put it down, you kick it. Once you put it down, it's easier to remember. Always go up at the teammate. Go up now. Go up now. Rugby. Lucy, you playing rugby? Nice. Oh, here what's the longest kick? Alright, line up, get your ball, line up across the back. So for longest kick, you get the back up.